Sawasdee krap and welcome to Mae Fah Luang Chiang Rai International Airport, located in the northern part of Thailand in the mountains. Today I am flying Thai Smile flight WE191 to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Today I'm going to be flying in Smile class or Thai Smile's economy class. The airport is rather nice and cozy, but it's very packed because due to the arrival and departures of many airlines, such as in my case Thai Vietjet Air, Nok Air, Air Asia, and our flight. The aircraft taking me back to Bangkok today is HXTXG or X-Ray Golf, which is one of Thai Smile's 20 Airbus A320s in their fleet.
สวัสดีครับ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะเชิญได้เลยค่ะสวัสดีค่ะเรียบร้อยค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
ขออนุญาตนะคะ
As you can see from this shot, this is Thai Smile's Smile Plus class, which I will be trying out on the next video. And here is my seat for today's 1 hour and 30 minutes ride to Bangkok. 38 kilo. I just want to talk about when we boarded, the cabin crew were offering us alcohol gel, which I think this is a very nice touch considering the world we're living in right now with a lot of COVID-19. A little later after takeoff, for the meals today, Thai Smile have a new concept of domestic dining, which is Smile Light Meals, which is a hot meal served in a little bag which you can take home or eat on board. In my case today for the main course, I have the Japanese rice and grilled salmon on teriyaki sauce, also with some plastic cutleries. Also inside the bag includes towelettes and also a bottle of water. Overall, this is an amazing concept on a domestic flight, especially for a flight for an hour and a half. Some airlines doesn't even offer this much food on much longer than this. Overall, the catering on this flight is amazing. I really enjoyed it even though the portion was small, but the effort is absolutely amazing. Just to add on how amazing this flight is, the cabin crew are even able to push around a bar cart on a 1 hour and 30 minutes flight, serving us a second round of drinks containing juice, orange juice, apple juice, water, tea, and coffee. This is absolutely amazing considering to Thai Airways on a Bangkok to Singapore international flight only able to serve a meal service and unable to push a bar cart around that flight.
Cruising altitude of 39,000 feet, 11.9 kilometers from Incheon Airport. Our route of flight today is southbound from Chiang Rai Airport, flying across the northern part and central part of Thailand, neighboring to Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok. The weather along the route today is expected to be few cloudy with occasional turbulence due to storm wind. For your safety reason, restrict your fasten using the all time in the rear seat. We expect to have around 4 minutes from time 5 minutes past 11 a.m. 11:05 a.m. And the weather reported at the airport at the moment few cloudy with a ground temperature of 30.
The cost for this flight is 1,100 baht or $36 US. Asking me will I be flying Thai Smile again in the future? Of course, no doubt. With the price comparing to the product you receive from them, this is absolutely amazing. And if you have a chance to fly with Thai Smile, I definitely recommend you flying with them. Thank you very much for watching my review today and hope to see you again in my next video. Sawadee krap. ค่ะ